Welcome to Quick MCAT Lessons, where I try to explain MCAT topics in 10 minutes or less. Today, we're going to talk about prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are the simplest organisms. They are unicellular and lack membrane-bound organelles in a nucleus. Their genetic material resides in a region called the nucleoid. There are two domains of prokaryotes. Bacteria. This is the most familiar type. It includes both pathogenic and non-pathogenic species. And Archaea. These are often found in extreme environments and have distinct molecular features. Let's start off with Archaea. Archaea are visually similar to bacteria, but contain genes and several metabolic pathways that are more similar to eukaryotes. Archaea are found in a great variety of habitats, including the human body, but they are also known as extremophiles and are found in various environments, including those with no light, extremely high temperatures, very low temperatures, high salinity, extreme pressures, high acidity, and alkalinity. They are notable for their ability to use alternative sources of energy. Some are photosynthetic, many are chemosynthetic and can generate energy from inorganic compounds like sulfur and nitrogen-based compounds like ammonia. Archaea are prokaryotes, but they differ from bacteria in several ways. Their cell walls lack peptidoglycan, their membrane lipids contain ether linkages, not ester linkages, and Archaea and eukaryotes both start translation with methionine, contain similar RNA polymerases, and associate their DNA with histones. However, they do have a single circular chromosome and divide by binary fission or budding, and they are also resistant to many antibiotics like bacteria. Overall, though, archaeal gene expression machinery is much more eukaryotic in nature, but there are still a lot of similarities to bacteria. Just to highlight some similarities between bacteria and archaea, they are both unicellular, they both lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, they both reproduce asexually, typically by binary fission, they both have circular DNA and often plasmids, they both have ribosomes, although archaeal ribosomes are structurally more similar to eukaryotes, and they both often have flagella and cell walls, but with different compositions. Now for some differences between bacteria and archaea. Starting with the cell wall. Bacteria's cell wall has peptidoglycan, archaea's cell wall does not. Bacteria have ester-linked fatty acids in their membrane lipids. Archaea have ether-linked lipids. For RNA polymerase, bacteria has one type, it's very simple. Archaea have multiple types and they're more complex. For antibiotic sensitivity, bacteria are usually sensitive, and Archaea is often resistant to antibiotics. And for genetic machinery, bacteria is unique to bacteria, and Archaea's machinery is often similar to eukaryotes. So these differences suggest that Archaea and bacteria diverged early in evolutionary history and are distinct domains of life and not just two types of simple cells. For a quick summary, while both bacteria and Archaea are small, simple, and single-celled, their biochemistry and genetics show just how different they are. Archaea's ability to survive extreme conditions, combined with their unique molecular traits, makes them more than just primitive bacteria. They represent a distinct and fascinating domain of life. That's it for today. Next time we'll go over bacterial structure.